This is how I like to make ribs. Your back ribs, your seasonings. Put saran wrap on the counter to not make a big mess. You can add a little bit of brown sugar and all your seasonings. Make a dry rub and rub in your seasonings. Don't forget to do both sides with a generous amount of paprika. Make sure you season well with a good amount. You can cut the ribs in half to fit in the crock pot. If you don't have a crock pot using an oven, you don't have to do this. If they fit on your pan, a crock pot with cooking spray. You will do 8 to 10 hours on low and 4 to 6 on high. Oven you'll do about 300 for 4 hours. You want to keep going till they really fall off the bone. Then take them out and put them on a cookie sheet. You're going to add barbecue sauce, and after that you can broil them or put them on a barbecue for a few minutes. These ribs will be so good, better than a restaurant, and fall right off the bone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.